How to use witch hazel for acne. Acne can be a disfiguring and uncomfortable skin condition that mostly affects the face, but can also be seen on the neck, shoulders, and back too. Often it affects young teenagers the most, though many adults experience it into their 40s. Acne is caused by a few types of bacteria, but most commonly Propionibacterium acnes. This bacteria naturally lives in the skin's oil pores, but its population can get out of control, causing an immune response that results in red, swollen bumps on the skin. These bumps can quickly turn into white bumps full of pus. Most people who suffer from acne will try to find the best way to treat it. Fortunately, acne responds well to natural facial treatments. Witch hazel can be an effective and affordable treatment that can also be made into many facial toners. What is witch hazel? Witch hazel is a liquid astringent that can be purchased in a plastic bottle. It's in the form of a clear liquid, and has a faint herbal scent. This astringent contains a compound that is made from the leaves and bark of the witch hazel shrub called Hamamelis virginiana that commonly grows in North America. Witch hazel contains many chemical compounds, such as calcium oxalate, safrole and eugenol that give witch hazel extract its healing properties. How to use witch hazel for acne. It's simple to use witch hazel to heal up your acne. All you need is to purchase pure cotton puffs. You should still wash your face with soap and water at least twice a day, morning and evening. Use a gentle vegetable-based glycerin soap and a soft cotton cloth. It's simple to treat your face with witch hazel. Open up the bottle of witch hazel, apply a clean cotton puff to the end and quickly flip upside down. This technique will distribute some of the liquid to the cotton puff. Wipe the cotton puff all around your face, avoiding hairline, nostrils, and eyes. Scrub gently. Once you're done, you'll feel your face is cleaner and less oily. You may even notice how there is a lot of dark dirt on the cotton puff, particularly if this is your first time using an astringent. If there is a lot, repeat the process. Once you get into the routine, you shouldn't have so much dirt on your cotton puff. Use witch hazel each time after you wash your face. You may also wish to pack your witch hazel in your bag and bring to school or work, so you can freshen up your face at lunchtime. It will also help to control any redness throughout the day, so an application at midday is going to help you to look your best.